Hey guys, this is just a quick review on the standard algorithm that was presented in lesson 2.6. I'm going to put that in the corner up here for us. So 2.6, we are introduced to the regular or the old-fashioned or the way your parents learned way to multiply. That's not using partial products, that's not using diagrams or arrays, just the straightforward, here's your numbers, here's how you do it, and how it works every time. And it's the same every time. So we're going to start off simple with a 2-digit number. So we'll do 12. And since most of us shouldn't have our multiplication tables memorized, or at least you have access to a multiplication table, most of those go up to 12. So let's do 12 times 6. Okay, and we already know, if you know your multiplication tables, you know that's 72. So what the standard algorithm says is line up your numbers in place value order. So I have my digits lined up, and just like an addition or subtraction problem, you're going to start on the right side and move to the left. Here's where you can see our distributive property in action, because this 6 has to be distributed to the 2 and to this 10. Because technically that's a 1 in the tens place, so that makes it 10. Okay, so when I distribute that, I'm going to multiply, so I'm going to do 6 times 2. That's 12, but I can't just write 12. I have to carry that 1 just like you do in an addition problem. So I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to put a little plus beside it, just so I remember I have to add that 1. So 6 times 1. Going to distribute the 6 again. That's 6. Don't forget to add your 1. That's 7. So my final answer is 72. Now let's try one that we haven't seen before, or one that you probably don't know off the top of your head just by looking at the numbers. Let's try 28 times 6. Keep in the 6's for us. Okay, so same concept. I'm going to use a different color here. We're going to start on the right side. Make sure your numbers are lined up in place value order. 6 times 8, and that's going to be 48. So I'm going to write my 8. I'm not done multiplying yet, so I have to carry that 4. Remember, that actually gets added. And now I can do my 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 4, which is 16. And I don't have any more multiplication to do, so I can just go ahead and write 16 at the bottom here. That's my final answer. Pretty simple. Just remember to line up by place value and start on the right side in the ones place, and you are ready to go.